Hello guys, my name is Pratyush and I'm taking coding classes from 98th percentile. And today I've made Squid Game from the brand new TV show on Netflix. So if you don't know, I'll fill you in. So Squid Game is basically made in China and it's a story of some people organized a group of people that need to play different games to win a lot of money. If you win, that's great. You win a lot of money. If you lose, you get shot and die. So one of the games is called red light, green light. If you haven't played it, then red light, green light is when somebody says red light, they stop. When somebody says green light, you go and you have to reach the finish line. But if you move on red light, then you're out. Or in this case, you're shot. Okay, let's see. Okay. So don't laugh at me. I work with what I've got here. I use a scratch cat. Oh, well, uh, it's really easy to lose in this game, and you just have to be really careful. Okay, so we're back. Start. Just for safety precautions, stop there. See, when he does that, you stop. But then you run. Then you stop. And then you run again. I'm stopping right now because of safety precautions. So yeah, this game is really hard to win. I honestly have never won it myself, and that's it for the whole game. Oh wait, before I go, I need to show you some code for the sprites. So this is how it faded in and faded out, the instructions. So you see this? It's fading in. And now it fades out. See? That's it. So this is all the code for the fading in, fading out. If you probably know the ghost effect, it just makes it go back and go back on again. So it's a smooth transition. This is just to block the player from going. So you just wait 3 seconds and then he just goes. This is the play button, which has a really nice feature on it. If you do this, it just becomes bigger and it's just a really cool feature. And also, two last sprites. So the Circle Enforcer. He really doesn't have a big part in the game. He just like is there to tell you the instructions. Pico here, a little guy. He is from scratch, but he's the red light, green light guy that plays. I'm gonna try and get this sprite replaced. And this is the evil looking cat. And this was really hard to find. Like really hard.